Hello everyone, I am Shanice and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today's video is going to be a little different. I'm actually going to give you guys a glimpse into my daily life. So I try to get my routine when I wake up in the morning, but having a toddler and an infant, that was almost impossible. So you know what I'm saying, I'm doing the best that I can with this video, so y'all bear with me. In the meantime, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos that I have coming out. And let's get into the rest of this day. So like I said before, I try to get my routine when I wake up. So normally I'll just come downstairs, pump around 6:30. My husband, he leaves for work around 5:45, so he's pretty much gone before we wake up. Like I said, I come down here, pump, but I had to bring the kids down here this morning because they were up. So as soon as my baby saw me about to put the milk up that I had just pumped, she was having a fit, so I could not get me, you know what I'm saying, preparing the bottles, preparing their breakfast. I just let them go ahead, eat. I fed baby girl, so she is, you know, content right now in her swing, and my toddler is chilling, eating her waffles, you know, doing her little morning cartoons. So it is time for mommy. Actually, so y'all, I already clocked in. I am about to go on a quick Starbucks run though, because I've been drinking, you know, the Folgers coffee all week, and sometimes I just have to treat myself with some Starbucks just because, why not? So let's go ahead and go on this Starbucks run. So I got the kids ready, dressed, the baby's in the car seat, and my husband took my car, which has their car seats in it. So no Starbucks today. I will be making my Folgers coffee yet again, which is nothing wrong with it, but I just wanted to treat myself with some Starbucks. Like, let me get my coffee. Let me get my coffee. I gotta make my little fake Starbucks now, with almond milk, of course. Got my almond milk. Got my organic cane sugar. And I normally get a caramel latte from Starbucks. So for times like this, I have my own caramel to add to my coffee to give it a little razzle dazzle. And yeah. So got the coffee. Okay. Feeling a little better. Does coffee make y'all just feel, you know, in a better mood sometimes? So here we are, about to log back into work. I do have a couple of projects that I am working on at work, so I definitely want to get those completed hopefully today, because who likes to really work on a Friday? Not I. And we do have an office space downstairs, but because the girls are not in daycare, just having them in the living room, like with me, have my little setup here, you know, I have my pump, the swing, she has her little bouncy chair, my Kennedy, my toddler, has her corner over there where she can play with her toys. So everything is kind of like in one central location. I don't have to go far, you know, to make them lunch or to get a bottle for Cameron. And I have a bassinet right here, so when she's ready to take her nap, I just put her down. She's right here. Yeah, everything's right here in one little area. Hey y'all, so I am back. I just completed my task for work today, so you know, productive on that side so I can keep getting paid. Hey, you want to say hi to the people? She's like, I don't really care. So this is Cameron. As you can see, she just woke up from her nap, and she like adores her sister. Like when she looks at her, it's just in awe all the time. Right, Kennedy?
Right.
You love your sister?
Yeah.
Are you a great big sister?
Yeah, he's always my great sister.
Okay.
Hello everybody, so this is Karen and Mommy. So this is my lunch. So Mommy put it on for me. So bye everybody. Welcome to my channel. Oh, welcome to Kennedy's Corner.
She does have on a watch for potty time. Trying to just get her potty trained. Let me tend to the kids. It is about snack time. 10 o'clock, it's time for her next bottle. And yeah, see you guys in a little bit. And we're back. Both of the girls are finally down for their afternoon naps, and I would normally use this time to work out on my Peloton for about 20 to 30 minutes, shower after, and then hopefully be back before they wake up. But today I have a meeting right after lunch in about 10 minutes. So I will be jumping on this call for this meeting, and hopefully I will get to work out later. So after they wake up, of course I will still have a couple of hours left at work. I will probably go ahead and start dinner. So today we're going to have a salmon Caesar salad, which I love. I've recently fallen in love with salmon Caesars. So yeah, that's what we're gonna have for dinner. And after dinner I will, so yes, salmon Caesar salads for dinner. After dinner prep, I will go ahead and do Kennedy's hair, which is a task all in itself. Washing it, detangling it, like, you would think I was killing the girl the way she screams and hollers when I do her hair, especially when I wash her hair. I'm just like, come on. And after I do her hair, of course, she's all in the mirror like, I like my hair, Mommy. I'm just like, girl. Hey, do you want the phone? I am back. Like I said earlier, I'm going to try to wash my daughter's hair a new way. Normally I try to wash it while she's in the tub. She does not like that. I've tried it in the shower. She doesn't care for it, so I'm gonna try at the sink now while she's laying down so that the water is not running in her face, and hopefully it is a success, because I dread wash day, she dreads wash day, and you know, it's not our favorite thing. So let's see how this goes.
Mommy, put me down. Mommy, put me down.
All right, talk to the people.
People, I'm done washing my hair, but Mommy wash it.
And what happened? Was it bad?
No.
See, it wasn't bad. It was good?
Yeah.
Why were you crying the whole time then?
I was to wash my hair.
Yeah, but we have to clean your hair, right? You don't want your hair to fall out.
But you fall it out. But you comb it and wash. Right?
Yeah.
You also need a big mouth.
Okay, come on.
Hey.
Hey, what? You don't like your hair like this?
Yeah.
You want me to do it?
No.
I do have to do it.
No.
Yes.
No, it's done.
It's not, I'm done washing it, but now I have to style it. I gotta put some barrettes and some ponytails in your hair, right?
Oh, so that's why you're cleaning it.
Yeah, that's why I'm cleaning it. All right, let's go.
Come on, people. Mommy, bring your camera over here.
Okay.
If you're free tomorrow, I'll try and organize because I think you'll get the letter tomorrow by the latest.
Hi, people. I'm done. Finish my hair.
Not yet.
Not yet, people.
How do you want your hair done? I don't think I want it straight down the middle. I think I'm gonna do it the same way I did it last time, actually. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, don't drop my hair.
Don't drop it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna drop it.
Yes, you are. You
No,
can.
I'm not.
Yes, you did. Everybody, Mommy dropped my hair over my eye. Hello, everybody. I'm done. Finished my hair.
Uh-oh. Cameron trying to take your hair out.
No, it's not.
Mm-hmm. All right. People.
Hello, everybody. So I'm done cleaning my hair. So Mommy, you do it for me.
Here, turn around. Oh. Yeah, so pretty, right?
Right, guys.
So as you can see, hair is done, thank God. She did try to, you know what I'm saying? She ain't try to, she did give me the business when I was washing her hair, acting like I was trying to kill her. But as y'all can see, she's full of it. Wasn't nothing wrong with her. And we got her hair done. She likes her hair. So now I can show my baby on the camera a little bit more because, you know, I don't want to be showing my baby. Her hair ain't done. Just not right. But yeah. So my husband did get hungry at work, so he decided to eat dinner at work. So I'm not going to cook the salmon and make the salmon Caesar salad. I'm going to save that for tomorrow. So we're thugging it. Everybody is, you know what I'm saying, fending for themselves tonight. Of course, I'm making the kids food. But he ate. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. As y'all can see, my baby is in the background being loud. She said she wanna say hey, everybody. You wanna say hey, Cameron? You wanna say hey to the people? Cameron. Hey. Say hey, people. There you go. So today has been a long day. Husband finally made it home and he went straight into a workout. So he's in the shower now. My toddler Kennedy is asleep and my infant Cameron, she just woke up from a small nap, so I'm making her a bottle now. She normally stays up for like it varies between like 2 to 3 hours. Nah, I'd say like an hour and a half to 2.5 hours, and she'll go back to sleep. So it's what, it's about 8:30 now, so she'll probably be ready to like get into bed. We normally get in bed around like 10:30, 11 o'clock. Well, 10:30. So hopefully, I mean, she'll be ready to go to sleep. I'm tired already. Like I said, it's been a long day. My husband does not work tomorrow, thank God, so I can focus on work. Yeah, this is my like daily routine. I do have to pump one more time before bed. I normally pump around 9:30, 10 o'clock. And and then I won't have to pump again until tomorrow morning. So I pump 3 times a day. And yeah, like I said, a lot of stuff on my list did not get done today, but all I can do is all I can do. That's it. I can do it tomorrow. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, these little vlogs. Just trying to introduce, you know, a different side of me, my family. My husband, I'm pretty sure he's dodging the camera right now, but he's gonna end up on camera one of these days. You can run, but you can't hide. So yeah, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you on another video.